your sweet, sweet smile that drew me in. And I rarely used to let anyone in. It was your smooth, smooth voice that invited me in. And that's where our story really begins. Really begins. Really begins. Heartbeat racing. This is all I need. Heartbeat racing. Is this my reality? Heartbeat racing. Dreaming. It's just you and me. Heartbeat racing. This is all I need. It was a sweet, sweet smile that drew me in. And I rarely used to let anyone in. It was your smooth, smooth voice that invited me in. And that's where our story really begins. Really begins. Really begins. Heartbeat racing.
baby, pull me under. You're something to discover. Let me explore your wonder. A little excavation, a little less conversation. Let me explore your hunger. A little bit to the south, a little bit to the east side, a little less roundabout, a little bit more amplified. Let me explore you now. Hush now, pull me close. Your lips with no syllables. Come over, locate near me. Let's find the time, see where this will lead.
Stay here for the night. I feel more than butterflies. You're more than just another. My heart beats every time your body touches mine. Exploring under covers. Don't want this to go south. Let's kick it up on the east side to see what this is about. From moonlight until the sun shines. Let me explore you now. Now.
Hush now, pull me close. Your lips with no syllables. Come over, locate near me. Let's find the time, see where this will lead.
Let me explore you now. Let me explore you now.
Hush now, pull me close. Your lips with no syllables. Come over, locate near me. Let's find the time, see where this will lead.
Let me explore you now. Let me explore you now.
If I would've known, if I had picked up on your tone, yeah, we wouldn't be here. We wouldn't be laying here just staring at the wall, waiting for you to get a call. So you got a reason to leave without making a thing about it. I thought I was free of you, and now the thought of you, it makes me sick. And baby, I gotta tell you the truth. I've got this empty space, and here's the thing about it. I've been looking for somebody new, but keeping it happy with you. Hate to admit that it's true, but I keep on believing that someone like you could pull me right out of the blue. But baby, I blink and it's June, and I'm just sad in the summer. In the summer, baby, I'm so sad in the summer. In the summer, baby, I'm so sad. So I've been here before, picking myself up from the floor. Yeah, it's not a mistake if it's happening every day. I'd rather be alone, give back his records and his clothes. Yeah, than hear him say, baby, I swear that I'm changing. I thought I was free of you, and now the thought of you, it makes me sick. And baby, I gotta tell you the truth. I've got this empty space, and here's the thing about it. I've been looking for somebody new, but keeping it happy with you. Hate to admit that it's true, but I keep on believing that someone like you could pull me right out of the blue. sad in the summer. In the summer, baby, I'm so sad.
Come on over if you wanna have a good time. No more playing around, but now's the time to cross the line. Show me what's inside that soul, I'll let you feel mine. Come on, let's let our mind and bodies intertwine. I take the weight on my shoulders. It's a golden sky come down on me, and I can't hold it much longer. Let them so I can be free. If you just say the words, you know I'll take you anywhere. This life is way too short to spend it living through your fear. But all you need right now is something that can get you there. Just open up to what your heart is saying, don't be scared. I take the weight on my shoulders. It's a golden sky come down on me, and I can't hold it much longer. Let go so I can be free.
Come down on me.